The Glassman High Voltage PS-EX0.5F6, also known as the E19294270 REV, is a high-voltage custom power supply used in the semiconductor industry. This power supply came to us completely dead, and after a full rebuild, we were able to fully test the output. Most of these custom power supplies require ERD to reverse engineer both the control inputs and calculate the outputs, as they are not something from a standard operating manual, but are customized to meet the specifications of the tools of the manufacturer. ERD invests both time and materials into proper operation of many of the products we receive, and take great pride in having this ability regardless of the type or use of equipment. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.